Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Patek Philippe Calatrava in 18 karat yellow gold, an alligator leather strap, reference number 5117J-001. The Patek Philippe Calatrava, or for those of us in America, the Patek Philippe Calatrava, was originally released in 1932 as a means of actually helping the company to survive through the Great Depression. Today, it marks a legacy of resilience, establishing itself as a classic model within Patek Philippe's catalog. This model in particular is actually a dress style watch, but unfortunately a discontinued model, and the current generation of this model comes on a smooth dome bezel with matching gold hands, bordered date window, and index hour markers, all in 18 karat yellow gold and at a slightly larger case size of 39 millimeters. The supersessor of supersessor's model number is the 5227J, which you can also purchase through our website at jazztime.com. However, while you can no longer order this current model you see here, the 5117J, at a Patek Philippe salon, we can find them for you should you so desire. Buying link is in the description below if you want to purchase one of these or even its upgraded model. We'll be discussing the case, bezel, crown, movement, strap, and buckle, and I'll be giving you my thoughts throughout the video. The case on this model is 37 millimeters in diameter, 9 millimeters thick, 46 millimeters tall, from lug to lug. It is made entirely out of 18 karat yellow gold, all smooth polish with no real visible hard edges. All visible surfaces are rounded, giving it a very streamlined look, even down to the crown guards, curving very nicely down to the lugs. It has an open case back so you can see the movement when you flip this watch face down, so you know you're getting the real thing. Underneath as well, you can see the hallmarks on each lug. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit closer so you can see that. A little bit difficult. There we go. Yeah, you can see the hallmarks underneath each lug, those tiny markings, so that you know that it is indeed made of precious metals, specifically in this case 18 karat gold, yellow gold that is. The crystal on the back and on the front is the transparent scratch-resistant sapphire, so no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. Also note that on this watch it is a very slight dome on the front and flat on the back. This bezel is also fixed and encircles the entire front of this visible case, save for the lugs, crown, and the crown guards. This particular pattern is known as hobnail, a very textured pattern that follows a very 80s watch architecture aesthetic, with each element catching and reflecting light at different angles to give it a very radiant yet distinct look that's simply a snapshot of a bygone era. But as we all know, modern day designs do actually occasionally mirror the past, and just recently, things like 80s music has had its own sort of revival, and as well as some visual artists taking on projects that show VHS quality type of footage. So I'd be hard pressed to say that this watch has actually gone out of style, but more that it is back in style. Alright, now moving on to the dial itself, the face is white and very simple with black Roman numeral hour marks, tiny minute and second marks, and center seconds with leaf-like hour and minute hands with a black bordered date window. This design is incredibly simple, and as implied before, simplicity is a very modern aesthetic that I feel has made this timepiece actually rather timeless. It gives you exactly what you want, the time and the date, no extra bells or whistles, and as a dress watch, this certainly fits the bill. The most important part of this timepiece, from a technical standpoint at least, would be the movement. It is the caliber 315 SC, SC meaning that it has a center seconds as opposed to having a small seconds dial at the 6 o'clock position, another model type within the Calatrava line. This one is automatic, mechanical, and self-winding. It has the Patek Philippe Gyromax free-sprung balance to ensure precision with its timekeeping, as it constantly beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour, or 3 Hertz. And with 30 joules and a unidirectional winding mechanism, it all brings us to a power reserve of up to 46 hours. If you look at the unidirectional winder through the case back, you'll also see that it also contains a large Geneva hallmark directly in the middle. All right, so to keep this on your wrist, the strap is a shiny alligator strap in brown using a prong buckle at the end. There we go. And this is the only part of the watch, besides the hobnail bezel, that has any semblance of texture and provides an excellent backdrop to the main event on your wrist. All right, so we can try this on and give you some of my thoughts. And note that this is an alligator strap, meaning that there's no sizing really needed. Simply put it on your wrist, fit it through the proper notch, and there you go. All right, now this form factor is extremely small. At 9 millimeters tall, it fits under literally any suit cuff, really. Unless you have a tourniquet on, then you may want to get that checked out. But this weight, the weight distribution as well is actually very nice. It feels very centered. The weight on my wrist is actually right in the middle of my arm, so it feels very nice on the wrist. It looks very clean in presentation. It tells me exactly what time it is. Well, it's not actually 10:15. You can check your clock right now. It probably isn't actually 10:15 or the 2nd of the month, but you can easily change that with the crown. So who is this for? It's certainly for anyone who likes to wear long dress cuffs, because the form factor for this watch, as I said, is actually very small, making it very easy to slide under any long sleeve, including even the most form-fitting of dress cuffs. And if you're into a more minimalistic, modern, yet with that slight retro look and feel, this is certainly the watch for you. It has a little bit of everything of the 20th century, none of which is actually out of style, but very much still in. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for their next watch, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.